Well, hello friends, it is Running Kimono in this video, OMG. From the 4th to the 6th of March, Friday to Sunday, we have a clearance event over at the Dollar General. This is our Christmas, birthday, and Super Bowl wrapped up into one. If you love shopping over there, this is a great event. Again, the dates are firm from the 4th to the 6th. I recommend that you scout your area to see what does the clearance section look like. And I'm going to provide you guys with a barcode that on Friday morning, if you wish to open it up and scan the barcode, and to see if things are ringing up 50% in your specific area. Pay attention at the cash register that the items are ringing up at 50% off. And if it isn't, you can always bring it back for the difference. And if you could please like this video, I would greatly appreciate it. It took 2 days to make. Yes. First item we're going to talk about is just an example. So the Clover Valley pastries, and lots of stores have these Pop-Tarts. They were on sale a month ago during the last clearance event, and this one again. That is the barcode. Open up the Dollar General app, and right now it's 90 cents. On Friday morning, it should be ringing up for 45 cents. So 50% of that. And in some regions, certain stores might be 70, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to talk about 50% off stores. And what is the mystery and the magic of this event? It's when you can get an entire back of your car cartfuls for like $10 or less. It is just a lot of savings if you love shopping over there. This basket from last fall when they had a clearance event. Look at all that Swiffer. I got it all for free. It's just an amazing, amazing time, and there's so much savings to be had and found. Also, looking for these orange tags in the store? Let's put something to you guys. If I get 1,000 likes on this video, I will make one of these POG videos, which are these orange stickers, where stuff in regular shelves will also be part of this. It's a little bit to explain. So if you guys really want a POG video, like this video, if I get 1,000 likes, I will go make a future video on this for this clearance event. So as I was saying, guys, to scout, that means to get out physically to the store before the clearance event begins and see like the carts that they have in the back of the store, front of the store, clearance section. What does your store have? Is it worth your time, the gas money to get out there and look around? Just start tiptoeing around, see what they have and catalog, is this worth it? Do I need this? Blah, blah, blah. And even they might have a whole section, discontinued, price break. This is what we're looking for. Okay, so the first product that we have in every store that I was visiting in the last week, I could find these everywhere. They're these little Aussie shampoos and conditioner. Sorry, that's a weird angle. So here they are. So the 3-minute miracle in a bottle. I used to use this when I was a young girl. So we have a 2 off of 2. Please make sure you have this guy loaded, and you got to do this deal by Saturday. You get 2 of them for $1.30, subtracting that 2 off of 2 digital manufacturer coupon. It's free plus 70 cents of overage. As we have an overage deal here, grab something else to grab that 70 cents. They will not pay you the 70 cents out of pocket, so you're going to need something else. But that's a little freebie and like a 70-cent moneymaker. Yet another overage dealio is this little Crest with scope. There is the UPC. This product, really keep an eye on at the register that it's scanning properly at 50% off. We have this $2 digital, so please make sure you have it loaded. So this guy at 50% off should be $1.12. Subtracting that $2 digital, it's free and 87 cents of overage. So again, with that overage, you're going to need something for it in your basket because they will not pay you that 87 cents. So now we have the Febreze Fabric Ocean. So this is some sort of fabric spray. And this store that I visited had a good amount of them. So I guess they're getting rid of these. So it looks like a nicer product. I've never tried it before. We have a digital 3 off of 2. So please make sure you have this one loaded. So 2 of those fabric sprays is $3.60. Subtracting that 3 off of 2, you're paying 60 cents for the 2. So in the previous 2 slides where I'm like, you need something to grab that overage, this would be really ideal, like for at least 60 cents of it. So I am still finding either the lavender or this Aloha air effect. So if you can find 2 of these, we have yet another deal for you. So we're going to need this 3 off of 2 loaded, grabbing 2 of those air effects, the very specific lavender or Hawaiian one. 2 of them is $2.65, subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, it's free plus 35 cents of overage. Okay, so the next 2 disposable razors, guys, are giving back a lot of overage. So keep your eyes peeled for these too. So this orange one and then this one. This might be a little harder to find, but I did find it at one store for this little photo. But yeah, either one, grab it because we have a $4 digital coupon. It expires on Saturday, so do this on Friday or Saturday. Grabbing one of them, and they're priced both on clearance for $2.70. Subtracting that $4 digital, it makes it free plus $1.30 of overage. $1.30 of overage, you can buy quite a bit, especially a lot of food because we're going to be looking at food clearance here in a second, but that is awesome. This whole blends, and I did find this at a couple stores. This was from a couple times ago, so I think it was like last fall. It's this Garnier whole blends. It's some sort of oat shampoo. We have a 3 off of 2 digital. So it's not exactly free, but it's cheap. So 2 of them is $3.15. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying 15 cents. Okay, and now we're looking at this little 2-pack of the Clean Linen Glade Candles by Essie Johnson. This has me interested because it's a double pack, and that looks like fancy schmancy. And then we also have this little it's like to go in one of those like cones that spray it out automatically. It's a little tranquil lavender and aloe. It actually sounds kind of interesting. We have this $1 digital that's attaching to both. So they're both $2.25 on clearance. Subtracting that $1 digital, it's $1.25, which is a really fantastic price, especially for a 2-pack of candles. Now, if you really wanted to stock up, if you went over to the coupons.com app, we also have $1 back. So say you grab 2, you can get one with the digital coupon and then one with the coupons.com app. Look at all the rebate apps on Friday for extra savings. For all the parents out there, we finally have a really good diaper deal. So this size, which is the size 4, 22 count of the Pamper Swaddlers, are $9 on the nose. There's the barcode, and I did find like a bunch of bags at different stores. So yeah, we have this really generous 3 off of 2 digital, so please make sure you have that one loaded. And here's the deal, guys. Grabbing 2 bags for $9, subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you're paying $6 for 2. You know, I was talking about overage. If you're looking for diapers, apply that overage to this diaper deal because, yeah, it would work out really beautifully. If you love Herbal Essence shampoo, these I believe are $3 a pop. And this one, Hello Hydration, they must have had this in the back because I hadn't seen this in the store in a long time. And we have a 2 off of 2. And look, our shampoo's in the coupon. So 2 of them is $6 on the nose. Subtracting that 2 off of 2 digital, you're paying $4 for the 2 or $2 per shampoo. Now we're going to go really quickly through the next bunch of slides because I don't have digitals. This Pert shampoo, $1.35. For whatever reason, a lot of people love this Pert shampoo, and we barely get coupons for that. We have a little Suave hairspray for $1.35, also a really fantastic deal. Now this one, Love Beauty and Planet, $1.50. Coupons.com has an offer, but it is for a much larger shampoo. It is not for this one. I already checked this morning, guys. Sorry, I tried. And then another Tresemme hairspray is $2.70, so a little bit more, but if you have a bunch of overage floating around and you love this hairspray, perhaps. This little foot scraper, this looks like something I need to stock up on. $1.20, that is winning. And then we have this little St. Ives face scrub or body scrub for $2.03. Also in the same line, $1.67 for these acne and hydration. These are both fantastic products. I absolutely do love them. We have a little hand soap for 55 cents. And we have these Neutrogena. It's single makeup wipes. So they are $2.70. They were around last fall and they are back again. And some feminine care for $1.23. So this is also a terrific price point for feminine care. Some cleaner. We have the Fantastic for $1.33. That is a stock-up price if I've ever heard and seen of one. This little Downy Wrinkle Guard still at many stores for $1.77. Unfortunately, no digitals, but this perhaps could be a stock-up price pour vu. And then these beads, Downy Defy for $4.47. Perhaps there might be a printable on P&G Good Every Day or in the March P&G, but I didn't get any of those coupons. Let's talk about some food. tons and tons of food. Look for them in those wire racks or in the clearance section, or if they have a table. This box of grits for 87 cents. Pay attention that it's ringing up. The last clearance event, some of this food wasn't ringing up 50% off. We also have the larger box for $1. For $1.25. A lot of people swear by grits. Best thing ever. We also have these little Pillsbury Happy Birthday Cake Bars, or birthday cake bars, $1.33. We have some Dollar General cereal for $1.35. So if you have a lot of kids, food is crazy prices right now. This might be a time to stock up. We have the Pop-Tarts for $1, also a really fantastic price point, and there's 8 per box. We also have the Apple Jacks for $1.80. Maybe go to that Kellogg's website and see if they might have printables, pourvu for this product. And then we have these toaster pastries in the cherry flavor, also for 45 cents. And the Quaker, it looks like somebody punched this box really hard, 90 cents. Last time we had a coupon, this time we don't, but still 90 cents, fantastic price point. We have a little Cliff Bar for 55 cents. And we have some High C for 45 cents, a great little additive to throw in your drinks. And this one is sugar-free. And then we also have some Pringles Scorchy Waves for $1.25. I know this was on clearance at Walgreens, but $1.25, not the worst price point. Now let's look at some gum. We have these Trident Vibes and some icebreakers. So just to show you the UPCs, $1.45 for the Trident, $1.45 for the Trident, and that little one of the icebreakers is $1.57. So some tremendous savings if you love to chew gum. Now let's talk about Brown Dot. This is supposed to be 50%, but if I'm scanning Brown Dot right now, it's all ringing up full price. So is it only going to be 50% of these sticker prices? You make the decision if this is a good enough price point pourvu. So this little tub mat, that's $4, because I read this 2 different ways, and the way I'm scanning it now, this is still ringing up for $4. So will it be $2 on Friday? Brown Dot has this little Brown Dot. They'll have a display. A lot of this stuff looks very Christmassy as well, so it is super weird. But this will maybe be $2 or $1. I don't know. It's just written kind of weirdly, but it's probably going to be $2, guys. But wishful thinking, it would be $1. Probably all that would get cleared really quickly. But just to show you a little bit more Brown Dot, this is like a little red Christmas truck with a wreath on the front, and it's $5, and nobody's buying it. So even at $2.50, I certainly wouldn't buy it. But if it was $1.25, I know a lot of shoppers would probably be interested in buying it. But a lot of stores have these because, you know, it's still way too expensive, even at $2.50 for that. Like, who wants to buy Christmas stuff this time of the year? This little mason jar, perhaps for $2.50, somebody would find a good home for it. And so where the Christmas trucks are, this is found. And see, it has that little Brown Dot, so that's part of it as well. And then we have this shower curtain for $6. So $3, I guess for a shower curtain and hooks, it's not the worst deal, but $1.50 would be so much better. So which way it's going to go, we'll have to see on Friday morning. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!